channel. Let me first just start by saying, please, if you have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you're feeling even more generous, hit the bell notification icon. That way you know whenever we post new videos. So where are we? So today we're at what is widely considered one of the most iconic and famous hikes in all of the Los Angeles area. It's seated in beautiful Hollywood, up in the Hollywood Hills. We're talking about Runyon Canyon. made it to the highest point in Runyon Canyon. If you're taking the trails, of course. But I'm pretty sure even then, it would be the highest point, minus a bench over there that's off the trail. But we're here. Here's some views of Runyon Canyon's highest point. We'll take some more on the other point across the way from us back there. But here you go. Hollywood Hills and all of LA.
They've been beautiful.
Over here in the distance here. It's a little hard to make out, but way over there is the Hollywood sign.
Probably not Zach Steffen either.
Probably not him either. So it's crazy to have two Americans in the Champions League final.
Out in the distance, still in the fog. It's downtown LA. Down here, this whole stretch is Hollywood. Go. It's hard to see the stadium at the minute. It's still a little overcast. But way out there on the horizon is the beach, and that's over there by where we live. Santa Monica, Venice, Marina, Playa, all of that. But yeah, folks, this is the highest point. That's what we came up. Can't even see where we started. Next, again, if you wanted the access road, there's the access road. A portion of it at least. But we're going to head over there next after we traverse this back area, then come down. But it's all downhill from here. Hardest part's behind us. Let's keep going.